What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner plus Mop. So we will talk about all of its features, performance, design, build quality while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. Inside the retail box of Dreame D9 you will find some quick start guide and user manuals. Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the charging dock, the power cord, the cleaning tool along with a side brush, a water tank with the mop pad. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Dreame D9 is very much like any other robot vacuum cleaner in terms of appearance. It comes in just white color. It comes with a LiDAR sensor, 3 physical buttons with LEDs to perform various tasks. On the top you will find a large lid. Once you open it, inside you will find the dustbin, a reset button and a Wi-Fi LED. You will also find the cleaning tool beneath the lid, and the dustbin is very easy to remove and put it back. On the side of the dustbin there is a long and narrow HEPA filter provided that can easily be replaced if needed. Dreame D9 comes with multiple sensors that perform various tasks like keeping it from bumping into stuff, to detect the changes in the surface and to prevent the device falling down from the stair. The wheels provided are wide, come with very nice grip, and they can easily move between the floor to the mat without facing any issue. At the bottom you will also find the 2 magnetic pins for charging, a single side brush that is detachable, and the main brush of Dreame D9. And the brush is removable as well, so you can take it out and clean it if you want. The dustbin capacity is pretty large and way better compared to other robot vacuum cleaners in this price segment. The Dreame D9 comes with a built-in speaker that gives voice alert to let you know what exactly is happening, whether it's charging, starting the vacuuming, or stuck at somewhere in the house.
Begin charging.
Unlike the Dreame Bot Z10 Pro robot vacuum cleaner, the D9 does not come with a self-emptying docking station. Instead, you will find a small stand. There is a small docking station provided that comes with a rubber feet and some IR sensors along with metallic pins to charge the Dreame D9. Now talking about the performance, Dreame D9 is actually quieter compared to many other robot vacuum cleaners in this price segment. It comes with 4 different suction levels that can go as high as 3000 PA, and in our test, noise level varied from 48 decibel to 59 decibel at the maximum suction level. So it is still not much noisy, and on the standard mode, most of the time you won't feel its presence around. The 3000 Pascal suction is quite powerful and comes very handy and helpful when you want to clean the carpets. It also comes with an option that increases the suction level from standard to turbo by itself whenever the Dreame D9 moves from a regular floor to the carpet, and once it goes back to the floor, the suction level changes to standard again. It also comes with a mop, but instead of mop, I would like to call it a wiper, because instead of regular mopping where you apply pressure on the stains, the Dreame D9 just wipes it. So while it can be pretty useful for cleaning the room, but if you got tough stains on the floor, better not to rely on Dreame D9 mopping system. For mopping, you can even control the amount of water level, and that's pretty impressive for sure. The navigation on Dreame D9 is quite nice thanks to a bunch of sensors, especially the LiDAR navigation we got on this robot vacuum cleaner. It easily avoids the objects left on the floor, and even if it touches them, sometimes it is very gentle. But that is not the case when it comes to wires and cables, and since the suction level of Dreame D9 is quite strong, I will advise to remove all cables from the floor before you start using the Dreame D9 to clean it. Talking about the battery life, Dreame D9 comes with a 5200 mAh battery. On standard suction level, it provides nearly 2.5 hours of runtime, and even if you go on turbo mode, you will get around 2 hours of runtime very easily. And during the cleaning process, if the battery goes down, Dreame D9 will come back to the docking station by itself to charge it, and once it is charged, it will resume the cleaning process automatically. To configure and use all of the features of Dreame D9, you will have to use Xiaomi's Mi Home application. The app itself is very feature-rich and provides lots of customization options. It shows the real-time positioning of the robot vacuum cleaner in your house. You can create virtual wall to instantly create a no-go zone for your Dreame D9. You can also create custom no-go zones to not allow the Dreame D9 to clean those parts of your house. It supports multi-floor mapping. So if you live in multi-story house, then you can create and save the map of each floor separately to clean them in a proper way individually by Dreame D9. You can also select a particular room to be cleaned. You can create a specific cleaning zones. You can even control the direction of the Dreame D9 manually using the smartphone app. And then you got multiple options in the device setting, like the carpet boost feature that automatically increases the suction power when the robot vacuum cleaner goes on the carpet. You can set up the DND mode. You can also schedule the Dreame D9 to automatically start vacuuming your house at a particular time. You can change the cleaning mode, you can change the water flow setting, and you get the notification on your smartphone when the vacuuming is completed or if there is any alert error from the Dreame D9 while cleaning the house. Overall, Dreame D9 is a very nice mid-range robot vacuum cleaner as it comes with advanced LiDAR navigation technology and multiple sensors. The 3000 Pascal suction level works very nicely and it comes with a mopping system as well. The smartphone application is very feature-rich, provides lots of options and customization that you can do while cleaning your house with Dreame D9. The battery performance is also quite nice and it comes with a large dustbin, 4 different suction level and many different useful features. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.